Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we're answering another SSAT math question. So let's begin. The question says, express 36 as a product of its prime factors. A, 2, 3, B, 3, 12, C, 2, 2, 3, 3, D, 4, 9, or E, 6, 6. So to begin this question, we're going to start by writing down the number we want to find the prime factors of, 36. So when we separate a number into its prime factors, what we need to do is divide by the smallest prime number we can and see what we're left with. So let's start. We can divide 36 by 2. When we divide 36 by 2, we're left with 18. Now 18 is also a multiple of 2, so we do the same process again. Now 9 is the same as 3 squared, or 3 times 3. So it can be separated into 3 and 3. Now all the numbers we're left with are prime numbers. I've got 2, 2, 3, 3. So the answer is 2, 2, 3, 3. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.